without you, yeah. Know you got dreams of your own, sure you got places to go, but I just want you alone, oh yeah, yeah. I know it's hard to be you, all the things you need to do, but baby, it's hard for me too, oh yeah, yeah. Mayday, mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately, lately. I can hear it calling for you, you, yeah. Mayday, mayday, tell me you'll come home and be my baby. I've been losing sleep, I'm going crazy, crazy. Only you could save me, only thing I need is your love.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in details and specs and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit I am rocking was sent to me by Hermosa Hair. Shout out to you, Hermosa, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. Now y'all, let me go ahead and tell y'all, I recently got my teeth done again and my mouth is kind of readjusting to these teeth, so bear with me, girl, okay? Bear with me. Okay, so the unit I am rocking is their 8x5 pre-cut lace, pre-bleached straight wig in 180% density. Okay, I have it in 22 inches, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on the site and give you guys more details and specs. Once again, bear with me and these teeth because I feel like I'm swallowing. I'm doing a whole lot of. It's getting on my nerves. On the site, it says glueless, ready and go, 8x5 pre-cut lace closure wig, pre-bleached knots, plucked hairline. So on the site, it says the length of this wig is available in 16 to 30 inches. It's available in a 4x4, a 5x5, and an 8x5 lace. So it just depends on what lace you personally want. It's available in 150, 180, and 220% density. So it also says on the site, it says pre-cut HD lace closure wig, glueless human hair wig. It's a straight wig, as you guys can see, girl. Oh, girl, it's straight. It's the densities that I already stated. It lasts for a year. It's 22.5 standard medium. It's also HD and transparent lace, Swiss lace, and yeah. So that's pretty much it as far as details and specs go. Now with this unit, it is, child, did they say 180%? Now with this wig, I personally feel this one is 150% density. In my opinion, it's very, very lightweight. It's not a whole lot of hair, so in my opinion, it's 150. Check down below in the description box to see what it is. In my opinion, it's given, honey, okay? It's given 150, okay? Now, as far as shedding and tangling, I did not expect any of things and I didn't get any of things. As far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, it is big head friendly, but I only have the head that's on my shoulders and that's an average cap size. So girl, do with that what you want to do with that, honey, okay? Do with that what you want to do with it. I personally feel like it is a wig that can fit across the board, but I do feel like it's more medium to large head friendly than small to medium head friendly. Now it does have that pre-attached elastic band. There are no combs whatsoever with this wig, but I feel like with that pre-attached elastic band, you can make it super snug and you can make it work no matter what. As like I said, if you have an average cap size, it will fit. Chef's kiss, okay, girl. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Now it did come pre-tweezed, it came pre-bleached. As you guys saw, I only added my mousse, and what you see is what you get, girl, okay? It woke up like this. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons, as well as a full 360, as well as a length check, then please continue to watch. Y'all, so we're gonna start on the cons because you guys know your girl likes to end on a high note. So my con for this unit is gonna be that there ain't no combs. Okay, your girl love a comb. I need a comb, I want a comb. Okay, so that's gonna be my con with this unit. As far as my pros, I love that it's pre-tweezed. I love that it's pre-bleached. I love that it's pre-cut. It is the ultimate beginner-friendly wig, and I love that for me and for you, boo. So those are gonna be my pros. Alright, y'all, so obviously I'm gonna recommend this wig. It's the ultimate beginner-friendly wig, and the only con that I had was that it wasn't no combs, girl. And that's not a con for everybody, that's a con for me. So obviously I would recommend this unit. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and do this full 360 and length check so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Obviously, I am 5'4". And this is obviously on the right side. Alright, y'all, so that's pretty much it for this unit. Let me know down below what you guys think about it. Let me know if you are feeling it. Sound off down below in the comments. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. Once again, shout out to you, Hermosa, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not costing not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helton Missy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Completely got every styles and weekly. Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. The wig for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. The wig for me. It's disastrous.